Rossolye. Estonian vinaigrette with herring and beets. A main dish from Estonia. You will need
Serves
12
8.
ingredients. Step 1. To make the dressing, combine the dry mustard with 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm water, or enough to make a thick paste. Set aside for 15 minutes. Step 2. Then stir in the sour cream and the remaining teaspoon of sugar. In a large mixing bowl, combine the finely chopped eggs, diced beets, potatoes, herring, meat and apple. Add sour cream
Step
dressing
3.
and toss together lightly but thoroughly until all
Rossolye is
ingredients
mounted
are
high
well
on a
moistened
square or
with the
round
dressing.
serving
Plate, garnished with sliced hard-cooked eggs and chilled. Serve as a first course or a part of Zakuska table. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.